the city of Cleveland Heights, I want to acknowledge what a wonderful day this is for the students of this school to be coming back to essentially a new school.
It is truly momentous to mark this occasion before Tiger Nation. We remain old school in our new school. These hallways and classrooms remained filled with Heights tradition, yet are new in so many other ways. Generations have passed through them, and generations will pass through them.
I'm really excited to be looking forward to the new renovations in this school.
Because I'm excited for students to have a new experience.
I think that the temperature control and the new smart boards and equipment is really going to help people focus.
It just expands our opportunities for learning.
I'm very excited for this school year, and it's going to be my last, so I hope it's the best.
When you change the environment for a student, you change the trajectory for them. Their future becomes brighter, their opportunities seem more accessible and possible, and they do become that. Sky's the limit. It feels more like that in a new space like this.